What if I told you that while you're watching this video, someone, somewhere is using AI to make $500 today, and they didn't have to spend hours glued to their screen or juggling multiple side hustles? What if I told you that you could be next? Does it sound like a stretch? Well, stick around because in this video, we're going to show you exactly how you can harness the power of AI to generate $500 or more per day, whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro. Welcome to AI Business Weekly. Today, we'll explore real, practical ways to use AI that could start transforming your income stream right now. From freelancing and e-commerce to AI-assisted trading, I'll guide you step by step. And by the end, you'll know how to start your own AI-powered money-making machine. Let's jump in. AI, your partner in passive income. AI is everywhere, but it's not just for big tech companies or developers anymore. It's also a tool that everyday people like you and me can use to save time and make money. But how exactly? AI's true magic lies in automation, taking tasks that used to consume hours of our time and doing them more efficiently, faster, and often better than we could. Whether it's managing an online business, automating customer support, or even trading stocks, AI has become an incredibly powerful assistant. But here's the kicker. You don't need to know how to code or understand complex algorithms to take advantage of AI. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and accessible. The key is knowing how to apply them to the right areas of your work and life to make money effortlessly. Let's get into the meat of how you can use this to your advantage. 3 proven ways to make $500/day using AI. 1. Freelancing supercharged by AI. Freelancing has been one of the quickest and easiest ways to generate income online, but AI is taking it to another level. Now, you can leverage AI to offer premium services at scale, increasing your productivity and client load without burning out. Here's how to do it. AI-powered content creation. If you're a freelance writer or blogger, AI tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can help you churn out high-quality content quickly. By allowing AI to draft articles, blog posts, or even ad copy, you can focus on the final touches that make the content unique and charge clients for the completed work. A single well-paying client can easily help you hit $500 in a day with just a few hours of work. Graphic design and branding. AI design tools like Canva Pro or Looka can generate logos, social media graphics, and even brand kits. If you're into design, these tools help you create visuals in minutes, letting you serve more clients in less time. You can easily charge $50, $100 per design, and with AI handling the bulk of the work, you'll be knocking out projects faster than ever. AI in marketing services. AI isn't just about writing or designing. It's also transforming marketing. Tools like HubSpot and MarketMuse can analyze massive amounts of data to optimize content strategies, making you an invaluable asset to businesses. By offering AI-enhanced marketing services, you can command top-tier rates. 2. E-commerce automation with AI. E-commerce has exploded in recent years, and AI is making it easier than ever to run a store with minimal daily input. Here's how AI can help you build a money-making e-commerce empire. Product recommendations and upselling. AI algorithms in platforms like Shopify can automatically recommend products to customers based on their past purchases or browsing history. This personalized experience leads to higher sales, and you won't even have to lift a finger. AI-powered chatbots. Customer service is a vital part of running an online store, but AI-powered chatbots like Tidio or Drift can manage 24/7 customer support. From answering basic product questions to processing returns, chatbots free up your time and ensure that your store runs smoothly while you focus on scaling up. AI-driven inventory management. Predictive analytics powered by AI can help you manage stock efficiently. Tools like Inventory Planner forecast trends and optimize your inventory so you never run out of hot-selling products. All this without the usual stress and time consumption that managing an e-commerce store requires. With AI, automating your store's back-end, making $500 a day can become a reality. From increased sales through personalization to efficient customer service, AI helps keep your store humming along while you sit back and watch the profits roll in. 3. Trading with AI bots, the new frontier. For those looking to dive into the fast-paced world of trading, AI can become your secret weapon. With AI-powered trading bots, even people with zero trading experience are generating passive income. AI in stock trading. AI trading bots like Zignally or Krill use machine learning to track market data, identify profitable patterns, and make trades for you automatically. They're faster and more precise than human traders. By letting these bots handle the complexities, you can potentially rake in profits without having to study charts all day. Crypto trading bots. If crypto is more your thing, bots like CoinRule and 3 Commas allow you to automate your crypto trades. Set the parameters, and the bot will execute trades on your behalf 24/7, whether you're sleeping or working a day job. While not without risks, automated crypto trading can make hitting $500 a day easier than it sounds. AI in trading is growing in popularity because it's effective, fast, and hands-off. However, remember to start small, test the waters, and ensure you understand the risks involved. Steps to get started. Maximize AI for maximum earnings. Now that we've covered how you can use AI to make $500 a day, let's go over how you can get started. Pick your niche. Whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, or trading, the first step is to choose your focus. Think about your strengths. Do you love writing, selling, or analyzing data? Pick an area you're passionate about. Choose the right AI tools. There's no shortage of AI tools, but you want to pick the ones that will give you the most bang for your buck. For example, if you're a content creator, look into Jasper or Copy.ai. If you're in e-commerce, explore Shopify's AI features. And if you're trading, check out CoinRule or Zignally. Learn and experiment. You don't need to be an expert to start. Spend some time experimenting with the tools and learning how they work. There's a slight learning curve, but the results will be worth it. Be consistent. One of the biggest factors in any successful venture is consistency. AI is a powerful tool, but it requires continuous input and refinement. Make a schedule, set goals, and stay on top of your projects. Diversify your income streams. Finally, once you get comfortable with one AI tool or method, start expanding into others. Having multiple income streams will give you more security and opportunities for growth. Real-life success stories to inspire you. It's one thing to talk about AI, but let's look at some real-life examples. Jenny, the AI-powered copywriter. Jenny had no previous writing experience, but with the help of Copy.ai, she started a freelance copywriting business. Now, she charges $200 per article, and within her first 2 months, she was making $500 or more daily by taking on just a handful of clients. Mark, the e-commerce entrepreneur. Mark runs a dropshipping store and uses AI to manage everything from product recommendations to customer service. Thanks to AI tools, his store runs like clockwork, and he brings in over $1,000 in daily revenue with minimal effort on his part. Samantha, the crypto trader. Samantha started small, using an AI trading bot to handle her cryptocurrency portfolio. Today, she earns $500 or more per day, often without needing to check in on her trades. It's passive income at its finest. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and start making $500 a day using AI, subscribe to AI News Weekly for more insights, tutorials, and real-life strategies. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with someone who needs to hear it, and drop a comment down below with your thoughts on AI and money making. I'll be responding to as many comments as possible. Remember, with AI, the possibilities are endless.